Your next step is to actually take the FAA knowledge exam. But before you can take the test, you'll need to do the following. Send in your 2 practice test results to us. The address is shown in your test prep. Within 3 working days upon receipt, we will send you an instructor endorsement signed by our faculty. You'll need this as proof that you satisfactorily completed the instrument rating ground school. The next thing is to call your local FAA testing center and schedule your exam. The numbers are provided in your test prep. They will ask you what test you want to take and take down your personal contact information. They'll give you additional information and schedule the test for you. Now, what can you expect at the testing center? Well, you need to show them one valid piece of photo identification, such as a driver's license, a passport, or one additional signature ID. You'll also need to bring a sign-off from a flight instructor or the sign-off from the ASA DVD ground school. You may bring an FAA-approved computer, either an E6B or equivalent electronic calculator. If you bring an electronic calculator, you have to clear its memory by removing the batteries. You also need to bring your plotter, but you cannot bring any books, notepaper, or pens. The testing center will provide you with paper, pencil, required books, graphs, and a piece of mylar to place over the graphs. The staff will give you instructions on how to take the test and how to use the computer. Now, you don't have to be a computer expert to do computer testing. More test-taking tips can be found in your ASA test prep. Now, most testing is done using a simple touch screen. When you're finished with the test, a score will be provided instantly, so you won't have to wait around and wonder how you did. The center will stamp your test. If you missed any questions, the subject of the missed questions will be provided to you. But I'm positive that after completing ASA's DVD ground school, you won't have any problems. Oh, and one more thing. Keep the greasy side down and blue skies to you. For ASA, this is Matt Dragon. It's been my pleasure to be your host for your ground school. And good luck on your test.
Nice catch, buddy.